Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys some cleaning motivation. I'm going to be tackling my laundry, bathroom, and the kids' play area. And I hope that this video gives you guys the motivation to get some cleaning done. So as you can see, I am starting by folding my laundry. You guys, again, I let it go. I don't know what it is about me doing laundry, but I don't like doing it, and so I just put it off and off and off until there's a big huge pile of laundry for me to fold. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm moving on to the bathroom. This is my son's bathroom, but right now we're all using this bathroom and it's super tiny and it just really needed a really good deep clean. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. So I'm going to start off by using this Mr. Clean Freak. You guys, I love this product. If you guys haven't already, you guys should definitely try it out and see if you like it. I know everybody has their favorite products and this is definitely one of mine. I'm also going to be using these Clorox wipes. I love using these in the bathroom. I feel like it gets the bathroom really super clean, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm using Clorox wipes. I probably shouldn't be using Clorox wipes with the Mr. Clean Freak, but I don't think there are any rules to clean, or are there? Now I'm going to clean this mirror with some good old Windex. You guys, there's a black spot on this mirror and no matter what I do, it's just on there. We need a new mirror. And don't mind me while I check myself out or take whatever I had on my face off. Now I'm just gonna wipe down this little cabinet. You guys, I'm gonna scrub and scrub, and those little stains are not gonna come off. Those are from, I believe it's like I can't remember what it's called. I think it's like a scent booster. I don't know, but the little package got wet and it stained it, and now no matter what I do, I just can't get it off, and so just have to live with it. Maybe one day it'll just come off after I clean it and clean it and clean it. I don't know. So now I'm just scrubbing the other side of the cabinet. Somehow we got conditioner on it, and so it was kind of hard to take it off, but I got it done. Now I'm gonna start cleaning the tub. I'm using an old sponge that I had in the kitchen. After I scrubbed the tub with it, I'm just going to throw it away. Now I'm going to be taking this overflowing trash out. I stuck a lot of stuff that we didn't really need in the tub anymore, empty bottles and stuff in there, and so that's what I'm doing there. And now I'm going to vacuum and mop this floor. You guys, I did scrub the toilet, but for some reason I can't find the footage. Maybe I forgot to press record or something, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I did clean the toilet. Now moving on to the little one's play area. And you guys, it's really not that bad this time around. These little ones can really tear this area up, but on this day they kept it pretty clean, and so I'm just reorganizing it for them. carpet, I always have a hard time vacuuming this carpet. It also needs to be shampooed, but I'll do that another day. So if you guys see me looking up, it's because I'm watching Investigation Discoveries and I'm really into it. And so I really don't get to watch that much TV, but the babies were asleep and I was cleaning, so I figured, you know what, let me turn on some TV, and this is what I like watching, Investigation Discoveries. If not Investigation Discoveries, I like watching HGTV. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!